Alright, so this is what the unit looks like. Everything's been set inside, and we put new sheet metal actually. And that's it. Oh, let me show you guys. Technically, the electric's here, thermostat's there, and then he's got a disconnect over here. It's a used unit, but at the end of the day, it's okay. Alright, hey, you guys, check this out, man. I don't see this often, so I figure I would kind of record it and show you guys what's going on. Alright, normally in this business, if somebody has a hole in a coil, or to be honest, if they have a leak, that's it, man. They gotta go get a new one. But for this one, I actually found it only because it's somebody I know, so I'm not trying to be a douchebag. So we're gonna repair this. You know, all I did was just cut it with a razor blade and picked it out, and that's it. I never done one of these, and I've been doing this my whole life, man, since 2005. And I made a little repair coupling, so let's see how it goes, man. This is the whole R22 system, and it's old, man. The guy bought it used, he put it up, and then we turned it on, and only one compressor was working. So this is his last attempt to try to save this. But I just figured I'd bring you guys along for the ride. Alright, I'll be back. Alright guys, I didn't think it was possible, but yes, he spot welded it or whatever he did, but the thing is he patched it. He actually patched it. Yeah, we were trying here, and yeah, sure enough, it made it that big enough where all we needed was this. We didn't even need the copper coupling that I had made. That's it. He just went like this. Look, I'll show you what it looks like. You see? That was enough. That was enough. So he pretty much same thing over here, and that's it. He patched it. That's it. So we're doing a vacuum right now, making sure that there's no other leaks, but I don't think so, to be honest. You know, I added air and everything. It seemed to be okay. We're using his vacuum pump, so I don't think this is mine, but yep, that's it. Alright, so it's been vacuuming for like an hour. I don't have a gauge to measure anything, so I just let it run for a really long time. So right now it's the waiting game. I gotta wait 10 minutes, shit, probably even half an hour. Alright, so I disconnected the vacuum from it. It's been running for long enough, and let's see what happens, man. Let's see what happens.